Hello, grade 12s. Today I want us to look at the revision under economic geography. So this question is going to help us to comprehend the fundamental concept under economic geography, as well as answering effectively into our questions. All right, so 3.6, okay, 3.6 says refer to figure 3.6, providing the information on the Durban Pinetown Industrial Region. All right, this is the figure which consists of the information. So the figure says the Durban Pinetown region is the hub of industrial development along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. 8 new industrial areas have been developed within this industrial region. One of these industrial areas, Konobia Industrial Park, will generate 36,000 new job opportunities, according to the developers. An additional 370,000 short-term construction jobs will also be created in the Konobia Industrial Park. You can pause the video and read again if ever maybe you didn't comprehend or understand the extract, so that you can understand when answering the questions there. Okay, let's move to the questions. The very first question says, what evidence suggests that Durban Pinetown is growing rapidly as an industrial area? So what evidence shows that this Durban Pinetown industrial region is growing rapidly? Okay, the very first thing is that you are going to say is that okay, let's just look there. Okay, 8 new industrial areas have been developed. It's because of this. That's point number 1, okay? Yes, 8 new industrial areas have been developed. That shows it's growing rapidly, okay? And you can also say the implementation of Konobia Industrial Park. Okay, yes. So yes. So you can also say Konobia Industrial Park. Okay, yes. So you can state 2 of any there. Okay. Let's move to 3.6.2. Name a raw material that has supported industrial growth in this region. So you know that this region is part of the coastal region of KwaZulu-Natal, along the east, and you know that along the east, the raw material that are likely to be found is your sugar cane, okay, the maize, the beef, because there are a lot of cows on that side, meaning that the farmers on that side, yes, it's part of also growing cattle. So beef is going to be a result, as well as the subtropical fruit. All right, yeah. Okay, let's move on. So 3.6.3 says, quote one of the main benefits of the Konobia Industrial Park in figure 3.6. So the main benefits of that park, which was founded. Okay, the main benefits. So the main benefits is that it will generate new jobs opportunities for the community members, okay, of that specific area. So 36, this is what we are going to write down as a point. 36 new job opportunities according to develop. Okay, 36 new jobs, you're going to end there. 36 new jobs, an additional of 370 short-term construction jobs, which are also jobs, okay? Yeah, so that's what we are going to note down, okay? Let's move on to 3.6.4. Explain how the benefit identified in question 3.6.3 will assist local communities. So you know that if there are new jobs, the community members are going to be employed, so meaning that there will be a decrease in the unemployment rate, because you know that in South Africa we're experiencing the unemployment crisis, a very, very high unemployment crisis. So the unemployment crisis is going to be decreased. That's number 1. Number 2, you can say increase the local economy by creating more income for the members. So, meaning that the members of the economy the members of the community are going to be able to have money so that they can buy groceries, so that they can buy other stuff from other community members, as well as, yes, so that's going to contribute in the local economy, okay? Yes, the exchange of goods, as well as, or the exchange of values. All right. That's going to also reduce poverty because they're employed. So I mean that each family member maybe is going to benefit. Okay? Yes, because there are so many jobs that are going to be deployed there. Okay. That's also going to improve the quality of life. Right? Simple. Reduce crime levels, because now people, you know that one of the contributing factors of crime in the hoods, in local communities, is because of hunger. So people are going to commit crime because of hunger. So in this case now, because of the Konibia Industrial Park giving jobs to community members, those community members are going to be unlikely to commit crime or to steal other things from others. Okay? Yes. So these jobs are also going to upskill these community members, if ever you are going to look thoroughly in the situation. So you can also say that. So let's move to 3.6.5. 3.6.5. How does the infrastructure in this industrial region support rapid industrial growth? So how does this infrastructure? So look, I know other terms are not being given, but you know that we're talking about the coastal areas of East KwaZulu-Natal, specifically around Durban Pinetown industrial region. So you know that around that specific area we have the road N2, which is going to contribute in, which is well developed, okay? Yes, which is going to contribute in assisting the horse trailers to smoothly move, okay? Yes, to send the goods to that specific industrial area. The King Shaka Airport, okay? Also the King Shaka Airport, because now it's going to be easy to export those goods, as well as to import those specific goods. The harbor, which is going to act as a contributing positive factor to the infrastructure. So the harbor is the infrastructure because it's close by, okay? So it's just a few kilometers away from Durban Harbor, because in Durban you find harbor in Durban City, but Durban Pinetown, we can say it's part of the northwestern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Right, so by the way, it's not very, very far. Okay, so nearby rivers and dams provide access to water around that specific Konibia Industrial Park, or around that industrial region, okay? Okay, so let's move to 3.6.6. Use examples and explain why this industrial region has many break-off bulk industries. So why it is suitable for those industries to be situated in those specific areas. That's what the question basically asking us. So you know that it's clear, okay? Because they are near the coast, okay? They are near the coast. That's it. So because if they are near the coast, that is going to quickly process raw materials that are being imported. So I mean that the raw materials that are being taken from other countries, when they arrive in our King Shaka airports, the harbor, and. So when they arrive, it's going to take less time to process them. I hope you understand. Finished products are quickly exported. So I mean that the furniture that is being made from the wood, the cars, the sugar from the sugar cane is going to be easily transported or exported. or quickly exported. Okay, yeah. So you can take any points and fill up the sentences from those specific points, so that we can accumulate all those specific. How many marks? So it's 4 marks. We can have all those 4 marks. And I think that's the end of our lesson. Thank you very much. See you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Cheers.